Welcome to the Performance Analyzer Deep Dive. This is where you'll master conversion rate analysis, competitive benchmarking, and performance optimization using real Amazon data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how your products perform against the competition. Navigating to the Performance Analyzer from the search bar, let's start with individual ASIN analysis. In this blue Analyze Your Product Performance section, enter any ASIN. I'll be using this specific one for testing purposes. Select the category from the dropdown. I'll be using beauty and personal care. These categories come from real Amazon data. Click Analyze Performance and watch the magic happen. The system pulls real Amazon Product Opportunity Explorer data, not estimates or guesses. This gives you authentic conversion rates, click counts, and search volumes. Here's where it gets powerful. You see 4 key metrics. Your click capture rate shows how often people click your product per 100 searches, let's say 3.42. The niche average is 0.26, the category average is 23%, and your performance versus niche benchmark is a whopping 1,300%. These aren't just numbers, they all tell a story. A 1,315% benchmarks means you're performing 13 times better than your niche average. That's excellent. The color coding helps. Blue for your click capture rate, green for your niche average, orange for your category average, and light green for your niche benchmark. Now, let's explore category-wide analysis. In the filter section, select a category. I'll choose baby products. Set performance type to overperformers to find the winners. Set minimum click share to 2% to filter out low-volume products. Choose your sort criteria. Performance ratio shows the biggest overperformers first. Click Apply Filters and watch the system load real performance data with pagination. You're seeing actual Amazon products with their real conversion metrics. The analyzer has 4 powerful tabs. All products shows the complete dataset with performance grades A through F. Top performers highlights products converting significantly above benchmarks. These are scaling opportunities. Underperformers shows products below category benchmarks, optimization candidates. Buy box analysis reveals how competition affects conversion rates. Products with 3 competitors convert better than those with 15 competitors. The data table shows everything: product name, category, click capture rate, niche versus benchmark, performance, click share, buy box share, and the performance grade. See this product with a 735% click capture rate versus a 0.09 of the niche. That's a huge performance ratio. It's a good performer. The overchip confirms it's beating benchmarks. Click share of 22.5% means it's getting really good visibility. Grade A means that this specific product is performing at its best. The overview cards give you market intelligence: 1,060 total products, 1,017 overperformers, 35 underperformers, an average click capture rate of 8.75%, and an average performance score of 97. The system handles massive datasets efficiently, showing 20 products per page with full sorting and filtering capabilities. You now understand performance analysis at a professional level. Use this data to identify optimization opportunities, benchmark your products, and find competitive gaps. Click the Analyze icon next to any product to dive deeper with the ASIN Analyzer. The Performance Analyzer is your competitive intelligence engine. Use it to dominate your market.